Okay, I have something to say. No matter how good you do laundry, you just can't wash your face with the same towel you wash your butt with. But that's where these disposable face towels come in. They are unscented. They are super large. I was quite impressed with how big they actually are. And the best thing about it, they are 100% biodegradable. Now, of course, you can wet them and use them to clean off your makeup, which is what I do. But you can also use these as hand towels. Use them to kind of wipe down your countertops. They have a multitude of uses. Now, one thing I was so impressed with, these towels are soft. You aren't scrubbing your face. You aren't exfoliating, right? This is actually a really soft towel, but I was so impressed that it doesn't leave lint all over your face. Like, this is not, it feels like a Kleenex, but it's super tough and durable. And look at this. Look at this. It's not ripping or anything. These are durable. And yes, they are disposable, but they really don't act like it. This got my whole face clean. It's soft. It gave it a nice clean. And when you're done, you just throw it away. So if you are looking for something that's going to help with cleaning your face, but you're not using towels, putting germs and bacteria back on your face, definitely look at getting something like this. Go ahead and click the link. I love mine. I think you'll love yours too.